Okay, so what we're doing right now is getting another project. Another project. We like projects. The devil's mind, or the devil's, what is it? The idle hands are the devil's playground. So, we're going to go pick up some engines, do the same thing we just did with our 2-stroke build, and except it's 4-stroke, I believe. So we'll see what happens there. I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. See ya. Okay, people, we're back. Let's see what we got. Right on. We got one yard machine, 21-inch. I believe it's a 4-stroke. It's Tecumseh. A Tecumseh. We got a Honda, 160 cc. The Tecumseh, whatever. By what I can tell from it, is about the same size. And then we got another one. Might be I don't know. I couldn't honestly tell you the brand. But we got another one back here. This will probably be a parts engine for the whole thing. Yeah, so that's what we're working with right now. Snapped off, is it? No? No, it's good to go. So, this is our find. This is what we got. I'm assuming that this might be a Husky because of the bag. It's the only other bag that came with it. The Honda bag didn't come with it. This was all free stuff. Everything that I'm getting here is free engines. Just looking on Kijiji for here up in Canada, or if you're in America, Craigslist. You can look anywhere and you'll probably find something. So don't think I'm blowing a bunch of money here trying to provide good content. Well, I mean, I am providing hopefully good content, but at the same time, I'm not blowing a bunch of money doing it. It's real easy stuff. It's stuff that you could do at home. That's the biggest thing I want to try to do here, is give you guys the information and show you how uneducated you can be with this stuff and actually start doing it. Granted, I've kind of looked online a lot, but at the same time, I'm taking it apart and then I figure it out. So there's a lot going on that, oh my god, that's seized on there pretty good. So that might be an issue right there with the spark plug on that one. This one pops right off. This spark plug's pretty rusty. What's the spark situation on this one? Spark situation looks pretty good. Looks pretty good down there. So yeah, these are our next projects. This will probably come up and out after the magneto gets put on the other 2-stroke engine, so this won't be for a while. But if you are seeing this relatively soon after, it's It's good. It means I did a lot of work. So yeah, like that's a beefy. This is an old mower for sure, whatever this is. You can see there's been some modification of some sort, maybe just to hold something on. The magneto on this one looks good, so I might, if this one turns into a parts engine, I might just take the magneto off this and put it on the two-stroke. You'll know by then if that happens. So all in all, I got 3 engines now, so I can do whatever I want. My goal would be to get this one back to working order, put it on there, and clean up all the rust, get rid of the patina because I don't like it, and really get all this sorted out. Maybe I can sell this one. It's only got a small hole there. I could probably patch that up, see if I can actually make some money off something like this, and if I do, I'll let you know. So that way you can sort of have an idea of what to do for a side business if you're ever looking for one. This is a great one. This is one that you can have a lot of fun with. I've known a lot of guys that do get into this kind of stuff, and they pick up stuff like this, or pick up stuff that's only 20 or 30 bucks, or maybe 10 bucks and it doesn't work. They put maybe 10 bucks into it and it works. In terms of the two-stroke build, that one, all I can see that's wrong with it at this point as I'm recording it now is that the magneto's gone. That's going to be a $12 part. I'm going to get a brand new spark plug for $1.20 at Princess Auto, or I think it's called Harbor Freight in the US. Wherever else in the world you are, your local heavy duty sort of automotive place, more than AutoZone or Walmart or whatever you guys have, Canadian Tire. You're looking at the next store up, but all the parts are relatively cheap. You can put the money into it and turn it into a $60, $70 sale maybe. So for these ones, they're free. Wheels are kind of wobbly. Tighten those up with a wrench or something, I don't know. Again, this is all new to me, but if you can just take some paint off it, sand it down, put some new paint on it, I'd say that's good to go. So anyway, this is what I got for this haul. I'm gonna try to do this as much as possible so I can show you guys exactly what goes inside these little engines, and then hopefully that will translate to later on, when I get my first motorcycle. I can do all the work myself. I can do it all. I can put the mods on it that I want to do, like if I want to get bigger and better springs for the valves and stuff like that. That's usually a good mod to do. Just anything I want to do, I'll know how to do it, and I'll be able to show you guys because I'll have done it on something that I don't really care about. So anyway, that's going to be all for this part of the video. I hope you guys enjoy all these different builds I'm about to do. I have done, I will do. I hope you guys are finding good information out of all this. Like I said in my last video, like, comment, subscribe, but like only if you like it. Comment only if you have something, really like it and you really want to say something. Subscribe only if you want to see more of this content. Yeah, that's all I really have to say. Enjoy yourselves, guys, and have a good one.